Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go.
Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday. This is a question that I'm super excited to answer, and the question is, how many virtual assistant clients do I need in order to replace my income so that I can quit teaching? So in this episode, I'm going to break it down for you to help you figure out exactly how many clients you need based on what services you're offering and what you're charging. Just a quick heads up, I do recommend package pricing over charging hourly because as you get better at the services that you're offering, you're doing a disservice to yourself by charging hourly because you're becoming faster at your job and thus doing more work for the same amount of money. I talk more in depth about this in episode 96 called What's the Difference Between Charging Hourly versus Package Pricing as a Virtual Assistant, but I just wanted to mention that here because I think it is important to know that it's a lot easier to replace your income once you are creating package pricing versus hourly pricing. So let's say you have a package that you charge $1,000 for. You guys, $1,000 is totally possible for a package. I've seen packages upward of $5,000. $1,000 a month is totally 100% doable. So if your teaching income is currently, for example, $4,000 per month, that means you would only need 4 clients in order to replace your teaching income. Another example for you, maybe your packages are $500 a month. Your teaching income is still $4,000 a month. You then only need 8 clients to replace your teaching income. That is not that much at all, you guys. A $500 package, that's maybe only like 10 hours of work. And so for 8 clients, that's 80 hours of work a month, which is 20 hours of work a week. So if you're still teaching and still working 40 hours plus that, because I know you're doing extra work outside of actually teaching, you could cut that in half by becoming a virtual assistant. Okay, so I just want y'all to understand that. This is called backwards design, figuring out exactly what your income goal is and then backwards designing it to figure out how many clients you actually need to hit that. And it's just like we do in teaching, okay? So you're already good at this. You can figure this out. And I want to help you if you are ready to take that big step and really pursue this dream of becoming a virtual assistant, working from home with your kids, and replacing your teaching income. I want to invite you to join the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy. In TTFA, I'm going to help you map out your income goals, and I'm going to help you create a game plan to get there, and you're going to get there way, way faster than trying to do it on your own. So come and check out everything we've got in TTFA. You can find that at teacherturnedfreelancer.com. That's teacherturnedfreelancer.com, or you can find the link in the show notes. I would love to celebrate y'all there. We have 3 different payment plan options that makes this totally doable, and I just cannot wait to support you as you become a virtual assistant. All right, y'all. I love you so much, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.